Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix WWE 2K26 game not launching, crashing its startup, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5, click on users and accounts. Now move to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select WWE 2K26 game. Click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select WWE 2K26 game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Next, select console storage and then tap on delete option. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, select update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, select restore option and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to reinstall WWE 2K26 game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install WWE 2K26 again to check for the error. If not, then the last solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across, and after that the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.